Delve into these enigmatic mountains, where secrets and mysteries are hidden among their majestic landscapes. Every corner keeps ancestral stories and unknown legends that awaken our imagination. From mysterious portals that lead to unexplored worlds, to hidden chambers accessible only to a select few. The mountains hide mysterious treasures waiting to be discovered. Join us on a fascinating journey into the unknown, as we unravel the enigmas that people have found in this place. Copis Tomb. Introducing the mysterious Copis Tomb, this ancient wonder from the 2nd century BC, during the Hellenistic period, has puzzled people all over the world. Located in Turkey, this enigmatic tomb has sparked debates among experts about its origins. Some believe that it is Roman, while others remain uncertain. The rock gate, which resembles a colossal entrance, is only a facade. Behind her lies a small crypt that exudes a creepy atmosphere and can only hold a single body. To reach the crypt, one must pass through a narrow meter-high square hole in the rock gate. It's like a scene straight out of an adventure movie. Adding to the intrigue, at the top of the entrance is the inscription Ikezios, the meaning of which remains unknown, although some speculate that it could be the name of a Greek commander. What makes this tomb even more captivating is that it welcomes all curious travelers. There are no barriers or guards to obstruct those who wish to explore its mysteries. The hidden jewels of Mont Blanc. Get ready to ascend Mont Blanc, the highest mountain in Western Europe, with breathtaking views between France and Italy. Despite past tragedies, such as the Air India flight crashes in 1950 and 1966 that resulted in the loss of 117 lives, the mountain also holds staggering surprises. In 2013, a French mountaineer found a treasure trove worth approximately $340,000, filled with gems believed to be on the fateful Air India flight in 1966. Turning the jewels over to authorities under French law, the mountaineer received the half of the precious gems as a reward. With global warming, Mont Blanc's Bassins Glacier is receding, revealing more remains of the 1966 crash, including human remains, luggage and diplomatic mail from India. The gems found have been divided into 2 equal parts, with an approximate value of €150,000. One lot is in the custody of the Chamonix government in France, and the other half belongs to the mountaineer who made the amazing find. Let's applaud the mayor of Chamonix, Eric Fournier, for his recognition of the mountaineer integrity and for making sure the gems are treated properly. If you find yourself ascending Mont Blanc, keep your eyes open for hidden treasures in the mountain's grandeur. Who knows what other secrets you might find? Niangani Mountain Demons. Meet Niangani Mountain in Zimbabwe, also known as the Devouring Mountain. His nickname alone suggests something strange going on here. The mountain has earned its reputation because numerous people have disappeared while trying to climb it. The sacred mountain of Niangani is surrounded by local legends and intriguing beliefs. According to the locals, it not only houses the spirits of their ancestors, but also malevolent demons that play tricks on climbers. Some believe that the mountain's reputation is due to its unpredictable weather, but this does not explain the mysterious disappearance of people without a trace. Hikers have reported strange symptoms such as nausea and disorientation, and locals have compiled precautions to follow, such as avoiding certain actions and objects believed to be spirit tricks. Colossus of the Apennines. Let's go to Italy and explore the Apennines, where you will find a hidden wonder. You will see a huge pond at the base of the mountain with an impressive sculpture above it. A gigantic 36-foot-tall statue of a crouching man. The Colossus of the Apennines seems almost to come alive with its realism. Created by Italian sculptor Giambologna in the 1580s, this work of art hides an additional surprise. A network of caves and tunnels inside the giant, including a chimney that emits smoke from its nostrils and lights up its eyes with flames when lit. The Iceman emerges. Glacier archaeology is a relatively new discipline. The ice literally broke during the summer of 1991 when German hikers in the Hostal Alps spotted a half-buried tea-colored corpse on the Italian side of the Austrian border. At first, he was mistaken for a modern-day mountaineer who may have died in a climbing accident. But carbon dating showed that Odyssey, the Iceman as he came to be called, had died some 5,300 years ago. Otzi is a short, heavily tattooed man in his 40s. He wore a bearskin hat, several layers of clothing made from goat and deer skins, and bearskin shoes with grass-filled soles to keep his feet warm. The Iceman's survival kit included a yew longbow, a quiver of arrows, a copper axe, and some sort of crude first aid kit filled with plants with powerful pharmacological properties. A chest X-ray and CT scan showed a flint arrowhead buried deep in Otzi's left shoulder, suggesting that he may have bled to death. The murder of him is the oldest unfinished case of humanity. 6 years later, in the snowfields of the Yukon, hunting tools from thousands of years ago appeared from the melting ice. Similar finds soon followed in western Canada, the Rockies, and the Swiss Alps. In 2006, a long, hot autumn in Norway led to an explosion of discoveries in the John James Snow Mountains, home of the Jogner, the rock and frost giants of Norse mythology. Of all the loose debris, the most intriguing was a 3,400-year-old Proto-Oxford shoe, probably made from reindeer skin. The discovery of the Bronze Age shoe marked the start of Highland Glacier prospecting in Englert County, where the state-funded glacier archaeology program began in 2011. Outside of the Yukon, it is the only permanent ice discovery salvage project, the mysterious Arctic civilization. In 2015, 29 kilometers south of the Arctic Circle, scientists discovered traces of a mysterious medieval civilization. Despite the fact that the find was made in the Siberian region, archaeologists have established that this people was related to Persia. The remains were wrapped in skins, presumably bear or wolverine skins, birch bark, and covered with copper objects. In permafrost conditions, the bodies in such a wrapper were literally mummified, therefore perfectly preserved to this day. In total, at the site of the medieval site, the researchers found 34 small graves and 11 bodies. Initially, it was believed that only men and children were buried there, but in August 2017, scientists discovered that among the mummies there is also a body that once belonged to a woman. Scientists called her the Polar Princess. The researchers believe that this girl belonged to the upper class, since so far she is the only representative of the female sex discovered during these excavations. Work with artifacts is still ongoing, so we may still have many amazing discoveries ahead of us. These are the mysteries that lie beneath the ice. Which one did you find most interesting? Thank you for staying until the end of this video. Do not forget that if you like this information, you can give it a like and subscribe to see more content like this.